I've seen how other companies work, and we are the best. Professionalism is our #1 product that we offer. Well, first thing I arrive is just assess the situation. Depending on what we're doing, it could be a number of things. Make sure that we're parked safe, you're not in anyone's way. Just overall, just keeping the customer's household in mind. We greet each other, we let them know who we are, of course, where we're from, ask them what are the expectations, and they can go on from there. We definitely have a special eye for dirt. A lot of spots and things you really can't see unless you're paying attention to it. And a lot of times, customers are totally happy and we can see the spot stain still there. So yeah, we definitely have that special eye for detail. Compared to most companies in town, we are the cheapest. Not only that, we do offer numerous of discounts, and special time of the year, we offer to stack those discounts. Depending on what type of work we do, we'll go in and just do a walkthrough. Definitely walking through every room, not just poking our head in. We're actually walking through the room, taking a look, and making sure that everything that they have an issue with, that we have a solution to cover it. When we leave a job, I like to feel that the customer's happy and completely satisfied. I also let them know the special thing about Stanley Steemer, that we have a 10-day return policy. If they have any concerns, give us a call. No questions asked. We're coming right back. The job is easy and hard at the same time, but it's definitely fun. I've been here a number of years doing the same thing every day, and it's brand new to me every day I walk in. When we started carpet cleaning, we was also doing upholstery at the same time. It's just a lot of people know us for carpet cleaning. So my favorite line to tell a customer, if you can get it dirty, we can get it clean. So we start with upholstery, hard surface, garage floors, cars, RVs, you name it.